Staying healthy and safe during pregnancy. Oral health in pregnancy. Just as you have doctor visits for prenatal checkups, it's also important to visit your dentist for prenatal dental care. Your dentist can help discuss changes in oral health during pregnancy and what to look for. There is a connection between your health during pregnancy and your baby's health, so visiting your dentist during pregnancy is essential. What to expect when pregnant for oral health? Gum inflammation are likely during the second trimester. Can cause pregnancy gingivitis. Untreated gingivitis can lead to periodontitis, a more serious form of gum disease that includes bone loss. Plaque buildup during pregnancy is common. Pregnancy tumors are overgrowths of tissue appear that on the gums, most often during the second trimester. They are non-cancerous growths believed to be related to excess plaque. How does the mom's oral health affect the baby's health? Excessive bacteria growth in the mom's mouth can enter the bloodstream through her gums and travel to the uterus, thereby triggering the production of prostaglandins, which are suspected to induce premature labor. After baby arrives, mom can potentially pass her bacteria on to her newborn. So, a mom who has lots of acid-loving bacteria in her mouth will pass higher numbers of those bacteria to her newborn. Research also suggests a link between preterm delivery, low birth weight babies, and gingivitis. Dental hygiene during pregnancy. Visit dentist before pregnancy for preconception checkup. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Visit your dentist regularly for professional cleaning and checkup. Always mention your pregnancy status to the doctor to avoid harmful medicines. Any surgical procedure, if necessary, should be done in second trimester. Ask your dentist for an antimicrobial mouth rinse to help combat the increase of plaque. If you have morning sickness and vomiting, rinse your mouth with a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water. Avoid brushing teeth immediately after vomiting, as it can harm the enamel. Eat a diet rich with calcium, B12, and vitamin C to help keep gums healthy. Limit sweets and sugary foods and drink water instead of sugary drinks. Avoid smoking. Remember, oral health is very important for pregnant women and should not be forgotten. It affects the health and development of the baby as well.